As you back user live on CoinMarketCap Alexandria. I'm going to be reviewing this article by Connor Sefton. It says Solana can be a visa of crypto, the Bank of America says. So as you buy keys, table of content TT problems, troubles. So Solana has the potential to become the visa of crypto according to Bank of America. So in a research note, analyst Akahilz argued that Solana's value lies in how it can handle thousands of transactions per second with real-time data from the project stating that each transaction commands fees of 0.00025. So he wrote, its ability to provide high throughput, low cost, and ease of use creates a blockchain optimized for consumer use cases like micropayments, DeFi, NFTs, decentralized networks, Web3, and gaming. So looking ahead, Shah believes that Solana has the potential to meaningfully eat into Ether's market share, and CoinMarketCap data suggests ETH dominance currently stands at 19.2%. This has the potential to translate into a big boost for Sol's price, considering that its market cap is $47 billion, which is far from below ETH's $398 billion valuation. Shah went on to write, Ethereum prioritizes decentralization and security, but at the expense of scalability, which has led to periods of network congestion and transaction fees that are occasionally larger than the value of the transaction being sent. That isn't to say that Solana is without its problems as Sharrods adds. Solana prioritizes scalability, but a relatively less decentralized and secure blockchain has trade-offs, illustrated by the several network performance issues since inception. So guys, we have CoinMarketCap recap podcast here. It's usually very informative, so you want to check it out on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Google Podcasts. So for teething troubles, is that back in September, a high-profile outage caused Solana to be down for almost 18 hours, and a distributed denial of service attack in December caused transactions per second to tumble substantially. So a number of developers building on Solana had expressed exasperation by the disruption, as traders lose a lot of confidence when the nodes go down. So guys, that's all we have on CMC's news review on Solana becoming a visa of crypto. You can let us know what you feel or what is you feel is gonna be for this year 2022. The possibilities of a visa utilizing Solana as the visa of crypto or so. So guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe with your keys. Stay safe and peace out.